Problem solving using Python. Model question paper part B. 13. Explain the expression and data types in Python. Expression is a combination of symbol that evaluate value. The sub expression is expression that is part of larger expression. Example 4 plus 3 into k. Operator precedence is a relative order that all operators are applied in the evaluation of expression. Operator precedent table. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, negation, exponentation. These are the operator defined. Example 10 plus 20 less than 20 plus 30 implies 30 less than 50. Operator associativity is operator or applied. We have the same level of precedence. Example 2 plus 3 within bracket plus 4 implies 9. Data type set of values, set of operator applied to the values. Mixed type expression is expression containing operand of different type. Core coin and is automatically perform mixed type expression. Type expression is a explicit conversion of operand specific type. 14. Digital computing explained. Digital computing is a computer hardware be reliable and error free. All information represent a series of digits. The binary in representations zeros and ones. The electronic on or off switches, transistor and IC integrated circuit defined in this the digital computing. 15. Explain the list in Python. A list is a linear data structures have the linear ordering. Explain the different values stored in the different location. The common list operations are retrieve, replace, insert, remove and the append. The list traversal, adding the all values in the list when we want to search the particular value in the list. 16. Define the function in Python. A element of the function definition, function header, function body value suit. The formal parameters are defined in this function header. Example number 1 storing one value, number 2 storing one value, number 3 storing one value, finally adding the three values average. Value returning function is a Python the program routine called returning values. Function definition return the result and function values called the function call. Non-return value function it's not return the value. Example function definition display welcome and convert the Fahrenheit Celsius F Fahrenheit to Celsius. Print C is the Celsius to Fahrenheit. Main and display welcome method. 17. Program to display the n number of Fibonacci series. Start the program. Assign n comma 1 n1 equal to 0, n2 equal to 0, count equal to 1. Step 3 n greater than equal to 0. Print enter positive number. If n equal to 1, print 0. Otherwise add n in equal to n plus 1 and print. Finally stop the program. N equal to int of input how many terms n1 comma n2 equal to 0 comma 1 count equal to 0. If n less than equal to 0 print else enter the positive integer. Else if n equal to 1 print Fibonacci series up to n. Print fn. Else print Fibonacci series while count less than n. Print n1 nth equal to n plus 1 n plus 2 n1 equal to n2 n2 equal to nth count plus equal to 1. This is the output of Fibonacci series 0 to 1 0 1 1 2 3. Result successfully executed. 18. Explain the catching and the handling expression. The catching and handling exceptions. Import the packages and try catch using this different keywords. The exception handler using num equal to input of enter the compute factorial number. Valid input equal to false. While not valid input, try the result and print the result. Valid input equal to true except value error. Print cannot compute values of negative number. Num equal to int of input. Please re-enter. The output will display. 19. Explain the recursive function in a Python. The recursive function define the function call itself. Example function A call to the function A. Syntax a diff function recursive call and the function call. General function call A call to B call to C and C. Function instances function A, function B, function C, call to B, call to C and function C. Example of this Fibonacci series is recursive Fibonacci of n. If n less than equal to 1 return n, else return recursive function recursive of Fibonacci series n minus 1 plus recursive Fibonacci n minus 2 n terms equal to 10. If n terms less than equal to 0, print invalid input, else print Fibonacci series for I in range of n terms, print recursive of Fibonacci series. Output will be displayed like this: Fibonacci series 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. Recursive function execution instances. Function definition: A call to A, function A1 call to A, execution instances function A2 call to A. Advantages: complicated function